Did you know that 70% of small business fail because they can't attract enough clients? That's a staggering statistic, right? If you're feeling stuck in your business and struggling to bring in new clients, listen up. Hey there. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some simple marketing tricks that can help you get more clients fast. Whether you're just starting out or just looking to boost your existing business, these strategies are crucial for your growth. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Attracting new clients is one of the biggest challenges businesses face. You might have tried traditional methods like flyers, cold calling, or even word of mouth, but let's be honest, those can feel outdated and inefficient. In today's fast-paced world, consumers have more options than ever, and they're constantly bombarded with marketing messages. So, how do you stand out? Many businesses struggle to connect with their ideal customers, and it can be frustrating when you're doing everything right and still not seeing results. It's essential to adapt, embrace, and innovate marketing strategies that resonate with your audience. All right, let's unpack some actionable marketing tricks. First up, leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn are gold mines for client acquisition. Create engaging content that speaks directly to your target audience. Don't just sell, build relationships. Next, optimize your online presence. Make sure your website is user-friendly, mobile compatible, and packed with valuable content. SEO is your friend here. And let's not forget about local marketing strategies. Get involved in community events and collaborate with local businesses. Encourage happy clients to leave reviews. These tactics can help you become a trusted name in your area. Now, here's a story that really highlights the power of these strategies. A local coffee shop was struggling to attract customers. They decided to revamp their social media presence, sharing behind-the-scenes videos, customer testimonials, and promoting special events. They also optimized their Google My Business listing, encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews. Within just a few months, food traffic increased by 50%. This success not only boosted their sales, but also created a loyal community around their brand. It's proof that when you implement the right marketing tricks, amazing results can happen. So we covered several marketing tricks: leveraging social media, optimizing your online presence, and using local marketing strategies. These tactics can significantly boost your clients' acquisition efforts and help your business thrive. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience and making your brand visible. Now, I want to hear from you. What marketing strategies have worked for you in attracting clients? Drop your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our next video for more insights on boosting your business. Thanks for watching and see you next time.